Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Mr.Swami, science teacher from Sant Tukaram National Model School. In today's session, we are going to learn about a new chapter from physics, that is electricity and circuit. In that chapter, we are going to learn about one point, that is sources of electric current. We are getting electricity in our house from the different kinds of sources, and through that sources only we can get electricity, and we can use the many electrical appliances which is running on the electricity. So we'll learn about what are the sources of electric current is there. Okay, so first of all, you will see what is my electric source or what is my source. Source is the device that can produce or supply electric current, that can produce and supply the electric current, that is called as a source. And whatever the electricity we are using in our house, that is generated in the large power station. In the large power station, by using the energy of flowing water, and sometimes we are using the energy, we are creating or we are producing electricity with the help of hot steamer. So by burning a coal, we can generate the electricity in the large power station. In the large power station, we can get the electricity. Okay, so see one image I will share you. See, this is the water power station. It is generating electricity with the help of flowing water. Water is flowing, and we can, with the help of that flowing water, we can generate the electricity with the turbulence, and that electricity is transferred in the from with the help of transformers, and that electricity is stored in the large power station, and the stored electricity is transferred in our house with the help of large wires and cables. With the help of large wires and cables, we can get the electricity from these power stations. We use this electric current or electricity for powering most of our electrical appliances, everyday appliances, which we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, I will show you what kind of cables are there. You might have seen in the these kinds of wires and cables in our surrounding, which is the transport system of electric current from the power station to our home. Okay, and that electric current that we are using in our day-to-day life. Example, see, television, washing machine, mixer grinder, refrigerator, and air conditioner, or our laptops or fridge, our whatever the appliances which are running on the electricity, mixer grinder, all these things are bulbs, all these things are using by the help of electricity. Next, not only these big power stations are creating electricity, but there are smaller sources are also there. The devices like the torch, clocks, radios, calculator, remote controls, and toys work on cells and batteries. So the cells and the batteries you might have seen in our daily life. You might have seen that that cells and battery, that is, cell and battery are the sources of electric current and come in various sizes and shapes depending on what kind of appliances is there, and to fit in that appliances different kinds of cells and batteries are there. These cells and batteries contain chemical substances in that cells and batteries. Okay, with the help of that chemical substances and chemical reactions producing in that cell and battery, they are producing electricity inside them. They are producing an electricity inside them, and that is why we are using that all kinds of these smaller sources like torch, clocks, radios, calculators with the help of these cell and battery. They produces electric current. Cell and battery, or cell or battery, they produces electric current as a result of chemical reactions occurring inside them. This chemical reaction happen, especially what kind of chemicals are there in the cell? They are containing zinc powder, carbon, and especially sulfuric acid, H2SO4 is the chemical is present. These kinds of chemicals are present in the cell or batteries. That is why chemical reaction is happening, and from that chemical reaction, electricity is generated. Okay, you can see these different kinds of sizes are there, like cells and batteries. You might have seen. Yes. Okay. Next. An electric cell is a device. What is the exact meaning of electric cell? You see, electric cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. It is a device in which chemical energy is converting into electrical energy. The device is called as electric cell. Okay, a collection of two or more cells connected together is called as battery. Okay, when two or more electric cells connected together, it is called as a battery. I will show you both the images that you will understand what is the exact cell and batteries looks like. A battery can supply more power than a cell. See, the first image is of electric cell. This is the electric cell and it is the battery. Okay, electric cell contains a chemicals inside that electric cell, and with the chemical reactions we can generate the electricity, and more than one electric cell is present in the battery, so that it is more powerful. It is more powerful than the electric cell. The battery is more powerful than the electric cell. Okay, next one. So depending on the appliances, we are using different kind of shape on sides of the electric cell and battery. Observe an electric cell closely. You will notice that one end of its electric cell is marked with the plus sign and other end is marked with the negative sign. See here, this, if you observe closely to the electric cell, one end of the electric cell is marked with the plus sign and the bottom end is marked with the negative sign like this. So this plus sign indicates the positive terminal of the electric cell and the negative sign indicates the negative terminal of the electric cell. Okay, what is meant by positive terminal, what is meant by negative terminal, all these things we will discuss in the next session. Up to then, bye, take care.